Good day. Hope you are all doing well. As the title states, sharing a little niceness with you. This video contains some fruits that I have came across over the years. I hope you enjoy the video. I know this as a bird soup or bird soup. From the looks of it, it looks spiky. I can promise you though that it won't hurt or juke you. After you remove that green layer that you are seeing here, inside is a little yellow or orange thing. The color is dependent on the fullness or ripeness of it. If it's green, then it's not ready. So that little thing that you're going to see, you would now just use 2 fingers to pop it. The inside is where you find the niceness. You would get an instant flashback of passion or sweet cup. The bird soup is not as sour as the passion. It is actually sweet. Let me know what you know this as. This here I know as cow maca. Cow maca. The outer part is not as tough as it may seem. Part of the outer layer is peeled off. Now this here is a fleshy, sticky, gooey mouth paste. This will have your mouth locked to the way it seems like a glue. So we are still on cow. I am carrying you through the different layers. So this is after you eat the fleshy, sticky part. If you don't want to eat that part, that fleshy part, you could possibly use a knife to get rid of that or put it to dry. So now we are at the stage where we reach to something like a coconut in its shell. So you would break that, and that's where you would get the middle part that you are now seeing here. Now we are at the last stage of the cow maca. It looks like a coconut and it tastes like a coconut. This here is some nice juicy cherry. This here is 2 lovely coconut, or as we would say, coconut. And you know, with coconut, there are endless possibilities. Custard apple, otherwise called custard. Now here we have damson. You don't have to worry about peeling this fruit here. You just wash and eat. It's like a mini star apple. This here is known as duppy soursop. So this is the only thing on here that I haven't eaten. It is said that it is good for the health. All these photos that you see here are pictures that I have personally taken over the years. Duppy soursop isn't as spiky as soursop itself. Duppy soursop has a smoother edge, or smoother surface. This here is known as governor's plum. It can be staining if it's not well full. When it's full, it can be the sweetest thing you ever had or ever had. This plum here was introduced or given to us by a friend and a fellow farmer years ago. So, on this video full of niceness, I'm going to leave you with this last one to comment what you know it as. You can also comment if you have ever eaten came across or heard of any of these niceness. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.